Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. Today we're going to dive into how you can find profitable niches quickly using Creative Fabrica as a resource. So when it comes to finding profitable KDP niches for your publishing business, there are a number of ways that are available for you. One approach that has worked great for so many other people, including myself, and this is a very successful approach, is relying on Creative Fabrica to find profitable niches. And in this video, I'm going to dive into the process of discovering profitable niches through using the fantastic resource Creative Fabrica. And by exploring the website, we can identify a number of profitable niches that are available to us without any sort of payment on our behalf. So we're going to dive in. We're going to learn how to leverage Creative Fabrica to uncover profitable niches that can lead to Amazon KDP success. So to begin with, head over to creativefabrica.com, and you can also alternatively find a link for a 30-day free trial to Creative Fabrica in the description box below this video. And once you're at Creative Fabrica's website, what you can do is you can navigate to the graphics section of the website, and under this graphics tab right over here, you can find a treasure trove of KDP interiors. So right over here, once you click, you're going to locate create KDP interiors, which can be found in the graphics tab, and you can find the section that's fully dedicated to KDP interiors that are available for you to download, especially if you have the all access subscription, which you can get a 30-day free trial using the link in the description box below. Step 2 is browse through the interiors. So scroll through the vast selection of KDP interiors to explore the diverse niches that are available to you. You'll be amazed at the variety and potential opportunities you can come across. And some examples include letter tracing books, you can see here, cute animal theme, vintage niches, and even specific topics like, adult coloring books, for example. And one thing that I do is once I click on the graphics tab and head over to KDP interiors, rather than looking at most popular, I just filter by the newest. And here you can find the Creative Fabrica sellers publishing the KDP interiors according to the most updated, the newest set of uploads. So usually I'm also a Creative Fabrica seller that I have at my own shop at Creative Fabrica selling KDP interiors. What I usually do, I first of all search for profitable niches that are like profitable according to the self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, according to Amazon Scout Pro, and then I create KDP niches, KDP interiors based on these niches, and then publish them for sale using Creative Fabrica. So this way, you as a KDP publisher, what you can do is you can filter by the newest, and this will in most cases give you the most profitable updated list of niches, interiors for niches. And I've used this method so many times. I've shared it here on the channel on how to find the most updated, the newest niches using Creative Fabrica by filtering out by the newest rather than by the popular. Step 3 is search for specific niches. So if you have a particular KDP niche in mind, you can search for it directly. Simply type in your preferred niche, such as logbook, such as coloring book, and see the results that match your search. Then again, you can also filter by the newest rather than by the most popular, and this allows you to focus on specific niches that you personally are interested in publishing for. So creating your niche list is also really important. Once you have discovered potential niches through Creative Fabrica by using the technique that we talked about, it is really crucial to compile a list of niches that you've discovered using this method for further evaluation later on, because then again, you're going to take all these niches, write them down either using an Excel sheet or writing them down manually, and then you're going to take them one by one to Amazon, and you're going to enable the self-publishing Titans Chrome extension or whatever research tool that you rely on, or Chrome extension that you rely on, and then you're going to see the analytics section of each of the keywords or each of the niches that you've discovered. So by creating a comprehensive list of niches, what happens is you can systematically assess each niche to determine its profitability. So A quick way to create a niche list is jot down potential niches. Start by noting down niches that capture your attention. For example, if you found a particular niche in the logbook or in the coloring book niche section, record them on a spreadsheet or on a notepad. Step 2 is expand your list. Continue exploring Creative Fabrica. Continue exploring other resources to find additional niches that resonate with you or that are a sub niche for the main niches that you found. For example, if you've found that dinosaur coloring book is a profitable niche that you would like to embark on, jot that down in spreadsheet and continue searching. Every now and then go back and see what other mini niches under this main niche that you can find profitable keywords for, and then continue comparing. Go back and forth from Creative Fabrica and from Amazon as well. Make sure that you watch the video that I talked about, the 4 free Chrome extensions that you can use to research profitable niches on Amazon. I talked about the main 4 Chrome extensions that I rely on to give me an updated list of profitable keywords and niches. So aim for a list of at least 10, 20, or even 30 potential niches as well. Step 3 is evaluate the BSR, the bestseller rank. So once you have your niche list, it's really time to go in deep and evaluate each niche's bestseller rank. Aim for niches with a low bestseller rank as much as possible, preferably around 300,000 or less. The less the better, and this really indicates that there is a market demand for these niches. Also, when it comes to niche validation, so to ensure you choose the most profitable niches from the list, it's really essential to apply a set of validation criteria. What this criteria does, it helps you assess the potential of each niche. I'm going to share with you 4 essential questions that you consider during the validation process as you're trying to validate a niche. First of all, question number 1, is the market oversaturated? If the answer is no, then you're good to go. So determine if the niche or the keyword that you've chosen is oversaturated by researching the competition in the niche. Avoid niches with an overwhelming number of competitors. Step 2, is there sufficient market demand? Assess the market demand for your keyword by exploring customer reviews, exploring ratings for the existing products in that niche. So a lack of interest or a low demand should make you reconsider the niche, because demand is really important as well. And one tool that you can use, which is free, is Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension, which will give you all the answers for the questions that I'm discussing in this video regarding the analytics, to see if there is demand, to see if there's saturation, to explore the bestseller rank, the average bestseller rank for the niche as well. So it's really a tool that will help to speed up your research process. Question number 2, is the niche unique or differentiated? So look for niches that offer unique or a different angle compared to the existing niches out there. Uniqueness is really important. What it does is it attracts customers and it sets your product apart from the crowd. The 4th question is, does the niche or the keyword align with your own passion and with your own experience? Some niches you do need to be experienced with, such as educational niches, such as anything to do with mental health, for example. If you are writing a ebook or a medium content book to do with mental health and you are providing specific advice, for example, if you are creating a DBT workbook, which is a specific form of mental health therapy. I know this is a really profitable niche because I've discussed this in multiple of my videos where I've really broken down the profitable keywords for this niche, but it does require either expertise or prior deep research into the topic, so to ensure that you are providing your customer with the best, most updated information that they need for their mental health recovery and so forth. So publishing in a niche that aligns with your own interest really does increase your motivation and increases your dedication to creating high quality products, and also increases the trust and the authority factor, which leads to more sales as well and repeated customers. So by addressing these 4 validation criteria, which we talked about, number 1 is the market oversaturated. Number 2, is there sufficient market demand? Number 3, is the niche unique or different? And number 4, does the niche align with your expertise or passions? Once you do address all of the 4 criteria, you can go ahead and redefine refine your niche list further and focus on the most promising opportunities. Go in, dive deep, and focus, filter out the most promising niches out there that serve and that answer the 4 criteria that we talked about. So once you have validated your niches based on the criteria that we talked about, it's really time to take action. It's really time to start creating your books. Design captivating covers, create engaging interiors, optimize your metadata for each of the niche. While it is recommended to create your own covers and interiors, I completely rely on Creative Fabrica in most of my books because it offers a wide range of resources. If you prefer to download them, then again, the 30-day free trial access, no catch required, no payment required, really does help and really gives you an overview of what Creative Fabrica does have to offer when it comes to KDP, when it comes to graphics and keywords. So keep in mind that a subscription to Creative Fabrica's all access plan may be required if this is what you're looking for, and you can take advantage of the free trial offer linked below for that. But then again, even if you go ahead and select a free trial or select an all access subscription, you still need to go in. Once you've downloaded the KDP interior, you need to go in and edit it, upload it as a PDF to Canva, for example, or whatever software that you use, such as Affinity Publisher, and then you would need to change it around. You would need to add in, take out some elements, add in a border, add in some text, take out some text, to make it unique. So it's not like a copy paste, because that will, result in, your account getting restricted or banned based on duplicate content. So be smart. I did talk about a strategy that I edit my KDP interiors that I get from Creative Fabrica in a video that I made. I will link that video in the description box below. And if you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel, take advantage of Creative Fabrica. It is an excellent tool for finding profitable niches quickly and effectively, and explore the collection of KDP interiors that are available to you. You can be able to create your own niche list that you can use for months and even a year or 2 to come as well. So if you enjoyed today's video, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.